ever heard of biomimicry? It's a fascinating concept that involves mimicking nature to solve complex human problems. Today, we will explore the concept of biomimicry and its applications in modern technology and design. How can nature inspire innovation and creativity in our technological advancements? Let's find out. Biomimicry is the practice of designing technology based on natural processes and structures found in the environment. By studying how nature has already solved various challenges, scientists and designers can create more sustainable and efficient solutions. For example, the bullet train in Japan was inspired by the shape of the kingfisher bird's beak, allowing it to travel faster and more quietly. Another fascinating application of biomimicry is in the field of architecture, where buildings are designed to mimic the cooling systems of termite mounds. The lotus effect, inspired by the water properties of lotus leaves, has revolutionized the development of self-cleaning surfaces in everyday products. The field of robotics has also been influenced by biomimicry, with robots being designed to move and interact with the environment like animals in the wild. In the world of medicine, researchers are looking to nature for inspiration in creating innovative drug delivery systems based on the human body's own processes. As we have seen, biomimicry offers a wealth of opportunities for creativity and problem solving in various fields. Next time you marvel at the wonders of nature, remember that it holds the key to some of the most groundbreaking technological advancements. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the world of biomimicry. Remember to like, share and comment on this video to continue the conversation.